Hey guys, in this video I'm going to talk about how you can get cheap Facebook ads without spending a huge amount of money. So if that's something you're interested in, stay tuned because this is all the tips I've been doing and I know this is going to help you. Hey guys, it's Ben Medina. Hope you guys are having a great day. This is actually the first of a 7-day daily vlogging challenge that I'm doing. So I'm going to be vlogging every day for the next 7 days. So if you like that, make sure to subscribe to the channel and also hit the notification bell so that you can be sure to be notified whenever I post a new video. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to talk about how to get cheap Facebook ads, and I'm going to give you 3 simple tips on how to do this, even if you have a very small budget. So the first tip I recommend is to always target your warm audiences and stick to your warm audiences first. I have a rule that if your warm audiences aren't interested in your stuff and your ads, why should people who don't know you really be interested either? So if you have a limited amount of money to spend, make sure to spend it on just your warm audiences. There's a whole bunch you can do. You can target your fans, your website traffic, your email list. Those of you I would recommend to start. And then also look at engagement on Instagram and Facebook. If you just target those audiences first, that's an easy way to ensure you have cheap Facebook ads. Okay, the second tip I have is to make sure to keep your budget small. I recommend about $1 to $5 a day. If you don't have a huge amount of money, that's perfect, especially if you're only sticking with warm audiences and you're just starting out. So keep your budget super low so you can be sure that you don't waste any money. And the third tip I recommend is to make sure that you test different audiences because you don't really know what audience actually is going to work best. So be sure to test everything so that you can see, using real data, what works. Those are my 3 tips on how to get started with good Facebook ads. If you're interested, I have a free Facebook ads targeting guide. You can check it out. The link is down below. So if that's something you're interested, check it out. If you like this video, hit the like, leave a comment below, and please comment on how much your budget is for Facebook ads because I'd be really curious. And also, again, I'm doing a daily vlogging challenge, so make sure that you hit the subscribe button and also make sure to turn the notification bell so you don't miss the next video. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you tomorrow.